So next I'm going to use a staple that I always have in my makeup kit, and that is Detailz liner. This is a highly concentrated liquid liner that's designed specifically for detail work. It comes in a lot of different colors, so it's really great for all kinds of, pairing it with all kinds of looks, all kinds of skin tones, whatever it is you want. So I'm going to shake it up really well before we get started. And it has a really, really fine tip, and that's something that I really like because it's super easy to use. So you can see what a really fine tip it has. And we're gonna just apply this, let me turn here a little bit, right at the lash line. And just kind of connect. I like to use little short strokes, it makes it a lot easier to kind of make a straight line. And I like to think about when I'm actually putting the product into the lashes. And that really helps me to blend everything together. And so that there's no spaces between the lashes and the liner. There's no skin that's showing through. Just kind of working in short little sections here. And I'm just gonna kind of wing it out. I'm going to have her open so I can check my work. I like that. If you want to do it thicker here, it's easy to kind of start from the outside and draw a straight line down. I'm going to do a little more product here. Kind of make an outline and then fill it in. And then I like to use the tip and just kind of wing it out. The thing I like about this too is it's really fast drying, so you don't have to worry about opening your eye and it getting everywhere. Go ahead and open. You can see how nice that dries to a nice matte finish.